Welcome back to Easy Grammar. In this class also we go to see voice continuation. In our previous class we saw an example. In this class also we go to see some exercises. Just you look at the board. The president gave the commenter an award. The president gave the commenter an award. Already I told you, first of all you identify which type of voice is given there. There is no B form verb, there is no V3, there is no by, so that this exercise doesn't come in the structure of passive voice. So that this is active. Now we go to change this into passive. What is the structure of passive? B form verb plus V3 plus by. To change this exercise into passive form, first of all we have to identify verb. What is verb here? Gave. Gave is verb. Okay. Which is subject here? The president. Subject. Which is object? After this verb, the commenter. Object. Here also you can find two objects and award also object, so that this is indirect object, this is a direct object. But now we consider this object just we want one object, that's all, because general rules, object which comes in the place of subject, subject goes to the place of object, so that we need one object, so that we take this object. Okay, already we identified verb. Verb is past tense. Gave. Gave is past tense. This is past tense. So that you select B form verb as per the tense of the given verb. Here given verb gave, past tense, so that you select past B form verbs. Was and were. Was and were. There are two verbs in past B verb, was and were. Was is singular verb, were is plural verb. Okay. Just now, we bring this object in the place of subject, so that the commenter, then you write verb. Commenter also singular, so that you select a singular verb. Was. Then you write V3 of the given verb. Which is given verb? Gave. What is V3? V3 of gave? Given. Was given. After that, after V3 you have to write by. Then you bring subject in the place of object. The president. The president. Then you write as it is. An award. An award. Okay, students. First, we identify verb, then subject, then object, then recollect the structure of passive form, then you change like this. Already I told you, you have to change like this, then you rewrite it. Then only you can avoid careless mistakes. Okay. Next, another one sentence. Another one sentence. Please open the door. Please open the door. Please open the door. Which type of sentence is this? This is an imperative sentence. This is imperative. Okay. So that, how did you identify as imperative sentence? Open verb, the door object. Already I gave you structure of imperative sentence. Verb, object, or verb, adjunct. If a sentence which comes in the structure of verb, object, or verb, adjunct, that sentence is called imperative sentence. As per the rules, this is imperative sentence. Open the door. At the same time, please. Okay, right. How will you change this into passive form? You are. Here you find please, so that the requester to open the door. To open the door. That's all. If you find imperative sentence in active form, you can feel very easy to change it into passive because just only you add you are requested. You find here please, so that you are requested or you are asked. If you don't find here please, go out. You are asked or you are ordered, whatever it is. You are requested, only you add, then you add to open the door. Or next one, close the door. Close the door. How will it change? Which type of sentence is this? This is also imperative sentence. How? Close verb, the door object. This exercise which comes in the structure of active form. The same time which is structure of verb plus object. Already I told you, if a sentence which comes in the structure of verb object or verb adjunct, that sentence should be called imperative sentence. So, let the door, then you write be closed, given verb. V3 of given verb, closed. Let the door be closed. This is imperative sentence. Already I told you, if you find any imperative sentence in active form, you can feel easy to change it into passive. Only you add let. For suppose you don't close the door. Just you add here let not. That's all. Okay? We will see in our next class. I will meet you in your next class. Bye. See you. Thank you.